Day 1, start with belief. Inspiration. Everything begins with belief. If you don't believe in yourself, the world won't either. Faith in yourself is the seed of greatness. Action plan. Write down one limiting belief you've held. Cross it out and replace it with a new, empowering belief. Day 2, the power of today. Inspiration. Yesterday is gone and tomorrow is uncertain. Today is your gift. Use it wisely. Action plan. List 3 things you will accomplish today, no matter how small. Day 3, focus creates power. Inspiration. What you focus on grows. Eliminate distractions and direct your energy toward what matters most. Action plan. Identify one distraction to eliminate for the next 24 hours. Day 4, small steps, big change inspiration. Mountains are moved one stone at a time. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. Action plan. Take one small action toward your biggest goal today. Day 5, attitude determines altitude inspiration. A positive attitude doesn't solve all problems, but it attracts solutions. Action plan. When faced with a challenge today, choose a positive response instead of a negative one. Day 6, your circle is your future inspiration. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Action plan. Reach out to one uplifting person in your circle today. Day 7, progress, not perfection. Inspiration. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about consistent progress. Small wins compound into major victories. Action plan. Choose one goal and take a 10-minute step toward it today.